Hi, this is Elizabeth Sullivan. I'm starting a new painting, and it's quite large. It's a commission, and I have done two other paintings that didn't make the grade. But as you can see, I started out with a 22 by 30 piece of paper, and I have put a very, very light blue wash on it. Have to let it dry. This is quite a large painting that I'm doing, and I'm not showing it every little step because it's just going to take too long. But I'll show you the stages of it. So first I painted the light blue background, and there's going to be a little pond here. So I wet this part of the paper, and I just dropped the fall colors on there. That'll become the trees. And then I wet this part where the pond is and dropped the fall colors again, which will be the reflection in the water. I've put a couple more washes on this. I put, you can now tell the land from the lake, well, pond anyway. I put a kind of a dirty green wash on the lake, and then I put a little blue in it because there was a light blue sky, got a little bit cloudy. And then I put two washes on the land part. One was blue-green, no, not a blue-green, a yellow-green sort of, dirty yellow-green, and then on top of that, I put a burnt sienna, because it's fall, the grass is dying, although there is some green in there. I'll just show you what I mix up my washes in. The wash is a very, very thin paint, so I have these little bathroom cups. I mix up my different washes. Put a little bit of paint in there, put a lot of water in there, and you get a wash. This is the final painting, the finished painting, I should say, of Lake Bob. I filled in the details, some trunks on the trees, some shadows, and some weeds in the foreground, and also in the back. And that's how the painting came out. Oh, and the little dock. There you go. Happy painting, happy trails.